If you are wondering how you can fix high memory uses on your Google Chrome but not sure how, then this video is for you. Today in this video, we'll be guiding you with 4 easy ways to fix issue of Google Chrome using too much memory, and these steps will work for both Windows and Mac users. Watch the video till the end so that you won't miss out. First step, open a new tab in your Chrome. Click the 3 dots in the top right corner and go to Settings. Then click on Performance. And make sure that the memory saver is turned on. This feature saves memory by freezing inactive tabs. When you click on them, they will instantly reload, reducing memory uses. Second step is go to Extension in the Settings menu. Check for any unnecessary extensions and remove or disable the ones you don't use. Extension running in the background can take up a lot of memory even when they are not actively in use. So make sure to only use the ones you actually need. Now third step is to clear your browsing data. To do this, click on the 3 dots again, go down and select Clear Browsing Data. Choose to delete data from the past few weeks. This helps reduce memory uses by cleaning out stored information that you no longer need. Step 4. If you have many tabs open at once, try closing any tabs you don't need. Having multiple Chrome tabs open can significantly increase memory uses. So it's best to keep only the ones you're actively using. And that's it on this video on how you can fix Google Chrome high memory uses. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.